In this video, I will be showing you how to install Visual Studio Code on Mac. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Visual Studio Code and we'll be having the official link. Select it. And here we are having download for Mac OS. The download will be getting started. It is around 274 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it and you just need to drag and drop it inside applications. Just do that. Once it is done, go to apps and search for Visual Studio Code and open it. And select open. Here, if you want to sign in, you can do that, or else you can simply do without signing in. And select the desired theme of your choice. If you click on that, we'll be getting a preview on how it looks. After that, click on continue. Just click on get started. That's it. Now let's go and open a folder. For that, just click on this files icon. Select open folder. In your system, just create a new folder anywhere. So I will just create here and just have a name for it. Click on create and select open. So that folder will be opened. Click on I trust. Now we need to create a new file inside it. Click on this icon and just have a name. In this case, I will just have new.html. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.